Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about viewing or enabling slash changing the preferred Wi-Fi network band on your Windows 11 computer. So if you want to change it from a 2.4 gigahertz to a 5, for example, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And again, this will vary depending on your needs. If you want to go back and forth, I'll show you guys how to do that, or just allow Windows to set it as whatever it recommends. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Start off by opening up the search icon, search for Device Manager. Best result should go back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Double click on your network adapter section, and then right click on your network connection under here, and select where it says Properties. Select the Advanced tab. So I don't have Wi-Fi on this system here, but you would look for something that says Band. You would left click on it, and then on the value on the right side, you click inside the drop down and either set it to 2.4 gigahertz only, 5 gigahertz only, or auto. And there might be a preferred option as well that lets you choose one over the other, but keeping both of them as viable options. So again, underneath property, you would select band, and then underneath value, you would make your selection, and then you would select OK to save the change. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.